I'm gonna show you how to plan a navigation route in NAVIONICS app. So to get started, you have to open your NAVIONICS app and then wait for it to load up. And then you have to select or zoom in into your downloaded map, which is you need to download first before you can plan a route in NAVIONICS. So right there, you have to click on route. And in this point, this is very crucial, so you need to click on your account first, your profile, and then you have to change your boat size, or you customize your boat size. So from here, I'm going to customize my boat, which is the draft or the depth of the boat, which is going to put anything, and then the height, of course, of the boat itself. So from there, I'm just gonna put how about 10 meters. And then from there, you just have to customize all your boat settings. And once you're done with that, you also have to change the shoreline distance. So I'm just gonna put normal, and from there you just have to press back and then X, and then next now is you can now zoom in more in your downloaded map. So I'm just gonna click on automatic, and then you can choose your starting point. You can just click on starting point, which is above. So you can now choose wherever you like, whether it's your current position or latitude or longitude, or you can search the place that you want. So from there, I'm just gonna click on long press, or you can long press it. So my starting point, and then for the point B, you can just click on destination again. You can either search it or you can input the latitude or longitude. So for me, I'm just gonna click on it, and then from there it will plan a route, and then you can now save your maps or your route, or you can now just press go. So that's how you plan a navigation route in NAVIONICS app.